To create a new folder on your Mac, start by navigating to the location where you want the new folder to be created, such as the desktop or a specific directory. You can do this by using the Finder application, which is the default file manager on Macs. Once you are in the desired location, click on the File menu at the top of the screen and select New Folder. This will create a new untitled folder in the current location. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Command + Shift + N to create a new folder. Alternatively, you can also create a new folder by right-clicking or control-clicking in the desired location and selecting New Folder from the contextual menu. After the new folder is created, you can rename it by clicking on the folder name and typing in the new name. It is a good practice to give your folders descriptive names so that you can easily identify their contents later. It is also a good idea to organize your folders in a logical and consistent manner, such as grouping related folders together or using subfolders to categorize your files. This will make it easier to find and manage your files over time. In addition, you can also customize the appearance and behavior of your folders by using the View menu and selecting options such as Icon View, List View, or Column View. You can also use the Tags feature to label and categorize your folders and files. By following these steps and tips, you can create and manage new folders on your Mac in an efficient and organized way, and get the most out of your computer.